Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to print out perfect professional-looking Avery labels, but found the process a little intimidating or confusing, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you exactly how to do a mail merge for Avery labels using just Google Docs and Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to effortlessly merge your contact list into a set of ready-to-print labels, so you can tackle mailing projects, holiday cards, or even product labeling like a pro. Let's jump right in and walk through the process step by step. To start, you'll want to open your Google Sheet that contains the data you want to use. Maybe that's a list of names, addresses, or whatever you plan to put on your labels. Before we can actually merge anything, we need a little help from a tool called Label Maker. In your Google Sheet, go up to Extensions in the menu bar. From there, select Add-ons and search for Label Maker. Install it. This is an easy step, just a few clicks, and once it's installed, you'll see it pop up under your Extensions menu. Label Maker is what makes all the magic happen, so it's essential to get this set up first. Don't worry if it takes a minute to install, that's perfectly normal. Now that you've got Label Maker ready, click on Extensions again, hover over Label Maker, and then select Create Labels. This is where things start getting exciting. Label Maker will prompt you to pick a template for your labels. Since we're focusing on Avery US letter address labels, look for template number 5160. That's one of the most popular formats, especially for mailing labels. Choosing the right template makes sure that everything lines up perfectly when you print, so don't skip this detail. Next, you'll see an option to add merge fields to your label content. This is an important step. It's where you decide what information actually gets printed on each label. For example, you might want the person's name on the first line, their address just below, and maybe a custom note if that's in your spreadsheet too. Just click to add each field from your Google Sheet into the label template. This is kind of like assembling the ingredients before you bake. You want everything in the right place, so double-check your layout. If your addresses are in columns labeled name, street, city, and so on, use those exact merge fields. Once you're happy with how your label looks, go ahead and hit Create Labels. The add-on will work its magic. This part might take a few moments, especially if your list is long. What it's doing now is merging your spreadsheet data into a new Google Doc that contains a sheet of labels, each one personalized with the details from your list. After Label Maker is done, a link or prompt will pop up inviting you to open document. Click that, and you'll be whisked over to Google Docs where you'll see your freshly generated sheet of labels. Take a minute to scroll through and spot check for any weird formatting or typos. It's always worth doing a quick review. When you're ready to print, go up to File in the Google Docs menu and select Print. Here, where you have some customization options like adjusting margins or selecting the printer paper type. If you're printing on real Avery labels, make sure your printer settings match the label sheet size exactly and double check that your paper is loaded the right way. Printing test pages on regular paper first is a great idea just to be safe. And that's it, you've successfully mail merged your Avery labels using Google Docs and Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like, leave a comment with any questions, or share your own label printing tips, and be sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy labeling.